Hi guys, welcome to Joy and Joseph YouTube channel where we educate people on how and where to make money online. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 15 million Shiba Inu online. Yeah, you hear me right? 15 million Shiba online. To get the 15 million Shiba Inu, I will advise you to watch the video to the end. Disclaimer, this video is for education purpose. So let's get started. This is Shiba Inu website where you can get the 15 million. But to get this 15 million Shiba Inu, you have to sign up. So to sign up, check the link in the description where you can get to start. It's very easy. I'm going to log in now and show you how easy it is to get this 15 million Shiba. So let us begin. I'm trying to get into my account. So let me log in. Click on login. For you, you are going to click on register. So to register, you put your email and your password. Then you complete the captcha and log and click on. Let's say, okay, let's come here. You click on register here. Then you click on register. Then you fill your email, your username, password, and you confirm the password again. Then you complete the captcha. Then you will be taken to your then you will be taken to your dashboard where you will see what to do. So let me pause this video and show you how it works. Yes, now that I am logging, this is my dashboard. And the dashboard we have this is the dashboard. This is my balance for now, which is 3 million token, and each token is equals to 1 Shiba. Yes, you can check it downward here. You can see that each token is equal to a Shiba. Yes, each token is equal to 1 Shiba. So ways of getting your tokens is either by referral. When you refer people to this website, that is one major thing that you have to do. So I haven't referred anybody here, so I'm asked to refer, and each person I refer, I get 50,000 Shiba. And the second one, and the second one is the PTC, which is pay to click. This pay to click, you have different types. Let's hold on. Okay, so you have different types of pay to click that you must complete to make money on this channel. So you have all this one. You must complete every one within the timeline that was given for you and do the verification to get. And the most way you can get this 15 million, the best way to get this 15 million at a go is by coming to the tax here. Tax. By completing tax here. Yes. Oh, what is going on? So let's just wait. See. Yes. I think the system is very slow. Pardon my system. Yeah. So in when you make one video on YouTube, you get, and you follow the instruction, you get 27 million point 5 Shiba. Wow, thanks. And you get energy. And when you write a blog about this website, you get 750,000 on Blogspot. So you have to wait like 7 days before you can be credited with this. So, and you have lot of them like that. This is 1 million, 6 million. You have 6 million, and so on and so forth like that. So here you can claim your 15 million with this. Yes, this is how you get the 15 million. You post your screenshot payment, Telegram, on Twitter, on Medium, on Reddit. These ones are optional. So by these 2, 3, you can post there and you get 15 million tokens. And you must come with proof. And when you have done, you just submit your link here. Likewise, in every other task you are given here. So that is how you get your 15 million or more on this website. So just click on the link below to get started. Hope to see you in the next video. And if there's any other things for me to show you about this website, I will gladly post it here. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell and like this video for YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much once again. Bye.